Many people know many things about you already. अगर आपके पास सवाल है सर के लिए, I want you to raise up your hand. Sir, make sure you do not tell the question to anyone. The question that you select, that you want to answer, should be in your mind. I want you to make sure you choose a question जिसका answer नहीं है internet पे.
I will try. Depends on the question.
We have a lot of people asking questions. Go ahead.
Sir, how do you achieve so much? Like, how did you do it?
One word you would give to yourself.
I wanted to ask you which is your favorite travel destination. I wanted to know who is your favorite cricketer.
ये आंसर आसान हो जाएगा. I want to make it tougher.
Wow, sir. I mean, I appreciate it.
Which IPL team do you think will win the next season?
मैं definitely ये आंसर नहीं करना चाहूँगा.
Exactly.
Because I want my team to win.
Sir, what would your 16-year-old self look at you and say?
Which is your second favorite sport after cricket?
We know football. Like, if it's football, change your answer, sir.
ये समय के साथ complex होता जाता है. I think that's a nice question.
You are known as Captain Cool, everybody knows. Then what makes you angry in your personal life and what advice would you like to give to students to deal with anger?
It's a longish answer, so
What makes you angry in your personal life?
नहीं मुझे घर वापस जाना है.
You don't need to be a mentalist to decode that.
What's the one thing that actually scares you?
I think we have enough. So, are you okay? Here's what I'm going to try and do. Dude, this is.
Listen, she will do all of that and give the right answer.
Hopefully. Sir, आप भी तो इतना स्ट्रेस लेके जीत ही जाते हो ना.
नहीं हम लोग बहुत बार हारते भी हैं.
So can I touch your shoulder if you're okay with that? Okay, great. I want you to close your eyes. Think of the question. Think of the answer. This suddenly teleported you somewhere.
I did teleport myself. Yes, it makes sense.
I'm going to write something.
Can I open my eyes?
Yeah, you can. You can. There is no sentence in your mind right now.
Yep.
Yeah? तो मेरे को जो पहला वर्ड मिला है, मैं वो वर्ड लिख रही हूँ. Did you choose the question about where would you like to go?
Yeah, something.
Okay, this makes sense. On my count of 3, can you say this answer out loud? 1, 2, 3, now.
I love mountains.
There is mountains. माउंटेन की जगह आप एक माउंटेन का नाम भी तो सोच सकते थे, पर आपने माउंटेन का नाम नहीं सोचा, आपने एग्जैक्टली माउंटेन सोचा.
Yes.
Okay, there is one more word in your mind, but ठीक है, तो let me try and figure that out.
I'm not even looking at you.
सर इतनी भी बुरी नहीं हूँ मैं, मतलब मैं ठीक ही हूँ.
I'm just trying to make it more complex.
Okay, let's think of the answer. Think again, again, again. Will you be surprised, by the way, if I get this right?
It's difficult. सवाल उनके थे. मेरा तो सवाल भी नहीं था. मैंने तो सिर्फ जवाब दिया.
10-15 सवाल थे.
हाँ.
उन सवाल में से आप कोई भी सवाल चूज कर सकते थे.
Yes.
वो सवाल का कोई भी जवाब हो सकता था.
Yes.
On my count of 3, can you say this answer out loud?
Yep.
1, 2, 3,
Snakes. नेक्स्ट ईयर के क्लास 12 के फाइनल एग्जाम का क्वेश्चन पेपर है क्या? Why should I study full year to give an exam? आप बता दो ना सवाल में.
Study.
I'll be prepared.
And you should do everything so you observe well and be able to do all of these things. A round of applause for him, ladies and
No, a
gentlemen.
round of applause for you. I didn't do anything. They asked the question, I gave the answer, you guessed the answer. Very well.
This is a great